friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the AOC AGON Pro AG274QZM monitor. So friend, again by AOC announces the 27-inch AGON Pro AG274QZM, a super fast 240Hz gaming monitor with QHD resolution and breathtaking mini LED IPS panel. And friend, it beautifully matches the punchy and accurate colors of the IPS panel with mini LED backlight that has 576 dimming zone, and this enables monitor to achieve the high tier DisplayHDR 1000 certification with 1200 nits peak brightness, displaying deep blacks and bright sunlights in same frame while offering true high-speed gaming 1 millisecond GTG response time without compromise the competitive gamers look for. And friend, the 3 sides frameless 27-inch IPS panel with 1.07 billion colors features QHD resolution and 240Hz refresh rate, a best combination of features for today's high-end competitive gaming. And friend, the resolution offers a sweet spot for current GPUs to achieve both high fidelity and high frame rates. On the other hand, the refresh rate today represents a new base level for competitive FPS gamers who were long accustomed to 144Hz refresh rate and above. And friend, it will be comes with onboard Nvidia G-Sync compatibility. Tearing and stuttering are eliminated by using variable refresh rate. And friend, if I talk about the connectivity options, it will be comes with USB Type-C connectivity with 65-watt power delivery to charge and powerful connected laptop. And friend, comes with 4 into USB 3.2 ports. And friend, monitor can act as a dock to connect additional peripherals such as keyboard and mouse. And friend, comes with built-in KVM switch. User can swap between two sources while using the same keyboard and mouse set. And friend, if I talk about the pricing is 999.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.